Hello, this video will show you how to recover files from an external hard disk with Is-Use Data Recovery Wizard. There are many causes why files can be lost, from accidentally deleting a file or folder to disk formatting, virus attack, or system failures. To begin with, open the external hard disk and delete files from there. Let them be some documents. In order to recover files lost from an external hard disk with Is-Use Data Recovery Wizard, start the program and indicate file type. Next, select the disk from where you're going to recover files, in our case, disk E. Scan and wait for the scanning to be over. Having scanned the external hard disk, Is-Use Data Recovery Wizard suggests to recover more files by running a deeper scan. Before that, let's have a look at the folders the program has recovered after a standard scan. As we can see, after scanning, the program has found the files we deleted. If it didn't happen, we would continue looking for these files with a deeper scan. Double-click on one of the files to view it before recovering. To recover the necessary files, select them in the program window and click Recover. Choose the folder you have created in advance for saving the files and click OK. The program opened the folder containing the recovered files. The files have been recovered. It should be noted that there is such a high percentage of recovered files because we started a recovery action right after they were deleted. To evaluate Is-Use Data Recovery Wizard, we compared it to Hetman Partition Recovery. The two programs have much in common: a simple interface, two analysis types, and a preview function for files waiting to be recovered. However, there are distinctive advantages to be found in Hetman Partition Recovery, such as a better quality quick scan algorithm, a preview function that supports playback of audio and video files, and more methods to save recovered files. They include recording to a CD, DVD, uploading by FTP, or creating a virtual ISO image of the recovered data. Hetman Partition Recovery also has the function to create a virtual disk image, which you can use later to recover files. This program can also recover a virtual machine's data. The version of Is-Use Data Recovery Wizard we are testing does not have such functions. If you want to share your opinion on the programs we have described, leave a comment. That is all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more.